All right, Miss Cherry, are you there?
Yes, I only bid them once. Sorry. Oh,
Say that.
Okay, you only bid them once.
Welcome to Rebel Chaser. My name is Gail, and this comes from Reno Municipal Court and a judge named Judge Drakulich. He has a good time in court. He has good material to work with. Let me know what you think in the comments.
Yeah. Okay, let's go to Javier Benitez. What are we doing with Mr.?
Your Honor, Mr. Benitez wishes to represent himself.
Hey, I just want to fire her if she's my attorney, Your Honor.
All right, the city, any offers?
He's charged with one offense, Your Honor, obstructing and resisting an officer, and he's also charged with failure to appear. So if he wants to resolve it, he would need to plead guilty or no contest to obstructing and resisting.
Okay, sir, what's your plea to obstructing and resisting?
I pleaded to that not guilty last month.
Okay, now let me run this by you. This is not your platform. Okay, this is not the time when you start preaching. I kind of get a sense you're that kind of guy. It's either guilty or not guilty.
I just
Let's
said
hear.
not guilty.
There we go. Okay, I'm gonna. Do you want to? Did you apply for a legal defender?
You guys never gave me one.
Okay, that's because you might not have applied. Okay, with your attitude, I think we're going to go $2,000 bondable. And you talk to the people up at the jail, they'll have legal defender already has been granted. So let's get this young man a trial date and how to get in touch with his legal defender, Martha.
Donna's getting it, Judge.
All right, thank you.
And Judge, on the warrant on that, he was in custody at that time.
Oh, well, let's quash the warrant.
Thank you. That's going to be August 31st, 1 o'clock. And the legal defender has not been determined yet.
What's he do? If he bails out, go down to the court and they'll give him the information on the legal defender?
Yes, please.
Okay, that'll be the order. Thank you, sir. Brandy Cherry. What are we doing? What are we doing, Miss Boytis Tanner?
No valid number for him.
Thank you, Your Honor. I filed a domestic battery complaint,
Yes.
so I don't know what her intent is.
She's
Oh,
going to
okay.
plead not guilty, Your Honor. We would ask for a legal defender to be appointed.
Okay, is there an application there? There might be. I'm looking at it, and we are going to, grant a legal defender. It'll be no bail. It'll be not guilty. Legal defenders appointed. City on bail.
Thank you, Your Honor. Miss Cherry's MPIA score indicates that she's scoring a 6 on that she's been in Reno for 6 years, current resident for 1 month, full-time employment, unable to provide a reference, and with regards to her criminal history, she's got 1 offense. And that is, one moment, Your Honor. In 2012, she was convicted of fraud to obtain aid in California. I don't have anything else besides that. With regards to the allegations, she's alleged to have bit her husband in multiple areas of his body. So based on that, Your Honor, I'm going to request $3,000 bondable in a no contact order. Thank you.
Okay. Ms. Burning?
Yes, Your Honor. My client works full-time at the Travel Lodge. She has full-time employment. She can stay with friends away from the alleged victim. And what I would be asking for, because of her slim to none criminal history. I would be asking for a release on her own recognizance and check-ins with the court. I think that would be appropriate, especially since she's responsible in our community.
Okay. All right, Miss Cherry, are you there?
Yes, I only bid him once. Sorry. Oh,
Say that.
Okay, you only bid him once. All right, what I'm gonna do?
In self-defense, she did that.
All right, Miss Cherry, you don't really have a criminal history. You have a place to stay?
yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna give you an OR release. Now, this is the deal. I'm cutting you some slack because you don't have a history. And I don't find it all that aggravating. But these are conditions. As soon as you get out of jail, you report upon release to the Reno Municipal Court. Very simple. No contact in any regard with the alleged victim in this matter. Obey all laws and no drugs or alcohol. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
I'm giving you a break now. Don't blow this one. All right, let's go ahead and does she have a legal defense? Legal defender app is on the next page. And I'm going to give you a legal defender. So can we get this young lady a trial date and also legal defender information?
Yes, Judge. Her pretrial conference is August 31st at 8 o'clock in the morning. And Jennifer Mayhew is her legal defender. She'll get the contact information when she checks in with court.
All right, good. Good luck, young lady.
Thank you.
To Nestor Lopez, Lopez, Lopez.
Good morning,
All
Your
right,
Honor.
Good morning. Enter not guilty plea to the DUI. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor. He has the driver's license charge as well.
Okay. Plead not guilty on that. I'm looking at your legal defender application. I'm going to appoint you a legal defender. City on bail.
Your Honor, here it appears that the defendant was driving through a parking lot recklessly. Security officers contacted law enforcement and then detained the defendant until law enforcement responded on scene. When they made contact with him, he exhibited the standard observations indicative of alcohol consumption. He indicated he was too wasted, quote unquote, to complete the field sobriety test and had consumed a lot of Fireball during the course of the evening. One field sobriety test was able to be conducted. That was the horizontal gaze nystagmus, in which he exhibited 6 out of 6 possible clues. He also presented with vertical gaze nystagmus. His BACs in this case, Judge, were 0.170, 0.181, respectively. Given his level of impairment and his admitted level of impairment, the city has met its burden under Valdez-Jimenez, showing that he is a danger to the community. I'm asking that you impose $2,500 bondable in this case, Judge. Should he be released, I'm asking for conditions that he report upon release, be subjected to enhanced supervision and testing, obey all laws, and consume no drugs or alcohol.
Okay, Mr. McGinnis.
Thank you, Your Honor. My client's 29 years old. He has a full-time job as a landscaper. He's lived in Reno for the last 12 years. He has a family, including mother, father, and a girlfriend that live locally. I think the $2,500 is appropriate.
Okay, Mr. Lopez, it's going to be $2,500 bondable.
Which is what?
Listen, you got to work that out. You got to get in touch with the bail bondsman, work that out with the jail. I'm not going to give you all the insight on it. It's $2,500 bondable. You make the bail, you report upon release to the Reno Municipal Court, and you sign up for enhanced supervision, no alcohol or drugs, and obey all laws. We'll give you the name of your legal defender and your trial date. Go ahead, Martha.
Hold on, Judge. His bench trial is set for September 20th at 8 o'clock in the morning, and Jennifer Mayhew is his legal defender.
All right, thank you, sir.
Your
All
Honor,
right.
can I
Go ahead.
if you look at, I got a long record, you know, and it's been always hard for me to get my life straight. And for the past, recently, I've been doing good. I got myself an apartment. I got myself a car. My girlfriend lives with me.
Good.
I've been doing everything, except I had some issues and I relapsed.
Mr. Lopez, do you have a question of the court?
I just want to say it's the first of the month. I gotta pay my rent. So
Listen, this is the deal.
know if
I
can
don't
make
care.
bail.
Listen, this is the deal. That's what the bond is gonna be. You could go and tell all your sorrow and worries to someone else. You're driving drunk, you're out of control, you're a threat to the community, you're a danger to the public. That's what I see. The other stuff you got to work out on your own. That'll be the order. Thank you.
All right.
All right, let's go to Jose Acevedo, Acevedo. What are we doing with Mr. Acevedo?
Thank you, Your Honor. I'd ask the city attorney to consider having him enter a plea to the due care and the no insurance, dismiss the driver's license charge.
I'll make that motion, Judge. It appears that the hangup on his license is child support.
Got it. Okay, sir, first of all, do you admit failing to appear on May 10th of this year or of last year? Yes or no?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. What's your plea to failure to decrease speed or use due care?
Well, actually, he cut me off, and I was
Okay, I'm going to
pretty-
ask you one more time. What's your plea, guilty or not guilty?
guilty.
Okay, what's your plea to no insurance?
I had insurance at the time. I just barely.
What's
now-
your plea to no insurance?
Oh, guilty, I guess, or not
Okay,
guilty.
then
Not guilty.
Your Honor, we discussed that he did have insurance at the time. I told him to enter his no contest and or guilty plea. Martha gave him her email for his family to send it to her, the proof of insurance, because he's in jail on a domestic battery.
Okay, that's how it works. What's your plea to no insurance, sir?
Guilty.
Okay, the suspended driver's license is dismissed. City?
So Judge, I don't know how long he anticipates being in custody. Of course, there's a victim in this case who may be out of pocket depending upon the validity of the insurance at the time. We need to set this for a restitution hearing. I don't know if we need to do that in custody, given his other hold, or whether he anticipates being out and set a restitution hearing in like 30 days if he thinks he's going to get out on the DV case.
I'd ask the court to set it in 2 days in custody. He's not gonna be able to bail out on his domestic battery.
All right, this matter's it's gonna be no bail hold. Will you be able to, Angie, get the victim in a couple days?
Your Honor, may I take a look at what information I have? If you can give me just a second, please, Judge.
No problem.
Unfortunately, Judge, the only thing I have showing right now is a citation. We'll be able to get the accident report. How about we do this? Let's set it for 2 days, and for some reason we don't have viable contact information, have to send a letter. We'll ask for continuance at that point.
Okay, it's gonna be continued to Thursday, no bail hold. On the failure to appear, I'll just wrap that up now. That'll be credit time served. Thank you, sir. Oh, and by the way, on your insurance, the way it works is that when you get out of jail, if you provide proof that you were insured on that date, you just didn't have the proof on you, it's going to be dismissed. However, if you weren't insured on that date and you get insurance subsequent within 30 days from release, the fine's going to go from $743 down to $195. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, that'll be the order. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
All right, you bet.
Well, it sounds like Judge Drakulich is going to be someone fun to watch. But let me know what you guys think. Thank you.